Hello, my name is William Tansaker and today I'm gonna explain about methods. First of all, this is the definition of method. Method is a set of code which is referred to by name and can be called at any point in a program simply by utilizing the method's name. So a method consists of a modifier, return type, method name, and the parameters. So this is an example of method that I have created before. So the modifier here is public. Other types of modifier can also include private. So it's depending on what you want to do. Next is the return type. Here I have inputted void as my return type, but another example can be in. Next is the method name. So this can be any name you want to call your method. So when you call it in another class, you just simply type this name. Here I have written createShape method, in which every first letter of any other word except the first word should be a capital. So S here for shape is capital and M here for method is capital. And next are the parameters. Here I put int size. So this is an example of how to draw a square using a turtle. So first it turns right, then forward, then this size will be determined by the integer I put in the next class. So yeah. So next, this is the class that will be used to call that previous instruction. So first I must create a world. Then I create 4 different turtles: T1, T2, T3, and T4. And then, so by using this method, which is called createShape method, I called it right here. So T1.createShape method, calling the instruction. And then this is the size which is used right here. So every size will be replaced by 800 for turtle 1, for turtle 2 it's 600, turtle 3 it's 400, turtle 4 is 200. So to show the finished product, it's gonna be like this. As you can see, turtle 1 is the green one, turtle 2 is the blue one, turtle 3 is purple, and turtle 4 is black. All called from the previous method, which is right here. Every turtle does the same instructions, just with different sizes. And that's an example of a method. Thank you.